Hello friends, today I'm gonna talking about simulation software and all information about simulation software today I will share with you. The multiple type of simulation software are present in the market and the most of the students and professionals are confused which one is the best for his professional life and for professional career and for future growth. And most of the names are confusing also. So today I'll clear all the doubts about simulation software. So don't be late. Let's start guys. This is Akash and you are watching my YouTube channel Design to Future. So initially we will discuss about what is simulation. I know you heard about simulation, the word simulation, but those who students who did not heard about the simulation, the name of simulation, I'll describe what is the simulation. So simulation is basically related to analysis of any product. If you design any product in 3D modeling software, after that you will apply a load on the body and define the boundary condition, then apply material, then you may proceed for the meshing. After that you can solve the all criteria which you applied on the body. After that you will find the results which you want, just like deformation, stress, factor of safety, strain and other thermal, electrical, mechanical, other parameters which you want. So this may relate for all the boundary condition of the body. So basically simulation is also related with FEM and FEM, means finite element method and finite element analysis. You discretize any product in multiple parts like 20, 30, 100, 1000, lakhs which you want, and what is your desire, what is your requirement. After that apply all these boundary conditions which were already described. You can perform simulation in manual method, but it is very costly and very lengthy process if you are done in manually. So most of the softwares are provide simulation solution to give high productivity within less time. So we talked about different type of simulation softwares. First of all, I am starting with Ansys. Ansys is also simulation software which they help for the analysis of different type of product in different area like mechanical, electrical, structural analysis, electromagnetic, also in fluid dynamics and dynamic simulations also. All the fields it covers, but it is a basic software, means for the beginners who started career recently. Let's talk about advantage of Ansys. Advantage of Ansys is a very easy to simulate any product, and you can easily import from the any other software like IGS file or STP file, or also you can insert or import any 3D modeling direct dot file softwares. Like if you want to import like a Solidworks file, then you can directly import .sldprt file, or if you want to import a ProE file or creo file or catia file, you can directly import it. They will provide access to directly import any 3D modeling CAD file. And other advantage is to simulate all mechanical, electrical, electronics, chemical, aerospace engineering parameters like simulation of static analysis, dynamic analysis, static structural analysis, thermal analysis, fluid dynamic analysis, model analysis, and like electromagnetic analysis and other type of analysis also. The disadvantage is that it have post-processor solution, means the all parameter will solve on the background of the system, means the all data will take too much time for the solution. It means the bulk object cannot solve easily, you can say that. So it takes more time than any other software. Or I am talking about any post-processing system which have post-processing system, then it also take more time consuming for any kind of solutions. So let's talk about another simulation software like Hypermesh. This is a brand of Altair University. Hypermesh is a very vast simulation software, and nowadays most of the company are using Hypermesh because it have pre-processing system, means it can easily provide solution without any time consuming. Hypermesh have capability to solve more complex geometry, and it can directly import any CAD file and directly provide solution on that CAD file without any time consuming. Meaning of pre-processing is to first step is to provide meshing in finite element process. After that they will proceed for any other process, so that the time consuming in meshing will be reduced. It have high quality meshing properties, and it can easily mesh highly complex body, means highly complex geometry. Use of Hypermesh in various fields like aerospace engineering, marine engineering, automobile engineering, defense, and even in also used in medical field also. There are various type of software present in market also like Hypermesh, like Optistruct, which is already a product of same brand of Hypermesh, which is Altair University. And another software is Abaqus, DYNA. So let's talk about another simulation software, which is DYNA. I think you heard very little bit about DYNA because not most companies are using this software, whose are core related to core simulation companies, that the companies are using DYNA. And this one is oldest software also in simulation sector. DYNA is powered by Livermore Software Technology, LSTC. DYNA is a multi-physics, multi-performance simulation software to run two or more than two physical parameters. Let's talk about capabilities of DYNA. It can generate 2D, 3D models, then apply meshing, property of multiple type of properties of material, and apply boundary conditions, then simulate with different parameters in terms of electrical, mechanical, chemical, electromagnetic also, like quasi-static simulation, linear simulation, non-linear simulation, thermal simulation, fluid simulation, and model simulation also, crack simulation, underwater simulation, fatigue, creep, life cycle analysis also. Usually DYNA is used for impact testing, for impact analysis like bomb blast, car crash, blast, etc. In the next software in our list is Abaqus, which is advanced type of simulation software. Abaqus is highly used for non-linear simulation, for non-linear analysis with complex contacts and complex geometry. Cannot solve with the help of any other software. If a body have multiple contacts and multiple linear elements, then you can choose Abaqus software. If any problem in any software, then you can use for Abaqus software. Abaqus is mostly used for explicit dynamic analysis, fluid dynamic analysis, and electromagnetic analysis also. And last but not the least, the last software in our list is Optistruct, which is the product of Altair University. Optistruct is mostly used for linear and non-linear product with static and dynamic loading conditions. Optistruct is also based on FEM analysis, which have capability to solve multiple body simulation and with complex geometry, have good solving algorithms to solve any complex problem within very less time. Nowadays, most of the designer and analysts are using Optistruct for their simulation purpose. So now the conclusion is that which software is best and which one is suitable for your career. So my recommendation is that if you are a beginner, if you don't know any simulation software, then you can proceed for Ansys and Hypermesh. After that you can start for Optistruct and Abaqus software. So initially you can learn Ansys software, then Hypermesh, or if you are experienced in design field or in CAE analyst, then you may proceed for Hyperworks, Abaqus and Optistruct. All these three softwares are nowadays in demand. So if you learn ANSYS software, then you can proceed for Hypermesh and Abaqus. Or if you want to become a fully professional in CAE field, or you want to become a CAE designer or CAE manager in any reputed company, then you have to knowledge of all CAE softwares. Not at all, but most of the 4 or 5 CAE softwares, because these companies are using not only one software, they are using to solve their problems by the help of 4-5 softwares also. So make sure you have knowledge of all 3, 4, 5 softwares. If you have more knowledge of the softwares, then it will be advantage for you to get a job in reputed company. I hope that all the doubts were cleared. If you have any doubt regarding simulation software, then you can write down in comment box. I will make another video on your topic. So guys, I'll meet you in my another video. So stay tuned with Design to Future. Stay blessed, stay inspired. Take care.